How to connect CJ Dropshipping to Etsy. Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to connect CJ Dropshipping to Etsy. So this is a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And now let's get right into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to sign into our CJ Dropshipping. Once signed in, click on My CJ here in your menu bar above. So when you click on My CJ, you will basically be routed onto your dashboard section. So right here, what you're going to do is that you're going to go to the left-hand panel and you're going to look for store authorization. Under store authorization, click on or look for Etsy. When you find Etsy, click on it. Now, as you can see, you have not authorized any stores yet. Click on Add Store. When you click on Add Store, there will be a verification or like an access to Etsy if you authorize the application to grant access onto your Etsy account. And if you do, click on Grant Access. And basically, that's about it for today's video. I hope that you guys find this video helpful and thank you so much for watching.